Morning friends, this is Ajeet Manna here presenting chapter 1st of class 11th, which is called set. So let me tell you the first thing about set is, what is set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. What is meant by well-defined collection? Well-defined collection means it must be a single property or a single definition. A single definition possessed by all elements, and of course it is a collection. So let's take an example. Example of what? I say you write the collection of 5 natural numbers. Okay, so I will say you write all natural numbers less than or equal to 5. So you will write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I mentioned here is equals to, so you can also take 5 as well. Okay, so now sets has a unique representation property. You will have to give it a name in any alphabetical order in capital letters, and you will have to enclose it within the parenthesis. Okay, so you can also write this as x is such that x is a natural number so that less than or equals to 5. So you can either represent the elements of this, or you can also represent the, what you could say, in any statement. So by this definition, by this property, the sets can be defined in 2 ways. Okay. Sets can be defined or represented in 2 ways. What are those 2 ways? The first one is roster form, and the second one is set builder form. So what is roster form and what is set builder form? In the roster form or tabular form, this is also known as tabular form, and there are set builder form also. All the elements are listed. What we do here is all the elements are listed, as we already seen in these examples that we have listed all the elements by separating them with commas. Okay, all the elements are listed, but here what we do? Here we do all the elements of the set possesses a single common property. We write it as a statement. We wrote this as a statement that tells us about the property of element, property common to all element. For example, if you just want to tell you that x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet, What do you will do? So here we are representing it with a statement, and what you will write here in the roster form, the same that can be described here as you can just wrote all the elements, all the alphabets which are vowel. So vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So here you have to list separately all the elements, and here you can just write down the common property as a statement. That's it. So you hope that you got this difference between these two statements, these two different forms of set representing a set. Now we will solve some questions we have. Okay, so here our first question is x says that x is a, you will have to convert this in roster form. X says that x is an integer, thus grid minus 3 less than x less than 7. We're going to write this as a is equals to x such that x is an integer minus 3 less than x less than 7. We will write okay, what's this form? This form is a set builder form, and we will have to convert it into roster form. So what are the integers? Integers are all the numbers, all the natural number as well as negative natural number, including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all natural numbers. From here to here we have natural number, and from here to here we have negative natural number, and we include 0. So all the natural number plus all the negative of the natural number plus including 0, this all is called the integer. Okay, so I'm just erasing it. I hope you got it. Coming back to this answer, so here what is the set builder form? Set builder form, we have to write minus 2 because 3 is not included. If we have an equals to here, we can obviously write it, but in this case we are not equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the roster form of the same statement which we have above in roster form. Okay, we have solved the first question. Now we are going the second question to you. Second question is x says that x is a natural number less than 6. So now we have B, which says that changing the color to make a chronology of that. Red is the question and or yellow pen is the answer of the statement. X says that x is a natural number less than 6. So what you will write here as your answer? You will name the same. No, that this thing must be same as previous, otherwise it might confuse you that which question I have answered which answers. So x says that x, so you will have to write the natural numbers that are less than 6. So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why you are not writing 6? Because it's saying less than, but not less than is equals to. So here we have to put it. Okay, so coming to our third question. What is the third question? Third question is saying what? Third question is saying you x says that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum is 8. Okay, so our third question is C, is equals to x such that x is a what? Such that x is a natural number. Is it? So that two-digit natural number. Okay. This is a two-digit natural number such that their sum is 8. So what is the answer? So you'll have to think about the combination of the two-digit numbers. Their sum is 8. So I'm starting with A1. If I write 1 to make this 8, I will have to write 7. So it makes 17. If I write 2 to make 8, I will write 6. 26. Then similarly 35, 40, 41, 44, 53, 62 and 71. So this is the combination. You cannot write 80 here because 0 is not the natural number. Okay, so keep in mind of that. You can just simply give your answers. Coming to our next question. Next question is D. X such that x is a prime number which is divisible of 16. Okay, I'm changing the color of pen. Now we have a D question which says x such that x is a prime number. So you will have to think a prime number which is divisible of 16. Divisor of 16. So first I will tell you the prime number. Prime number are the numbers that have two factors. Have only two factors, and that is 1 and itself. So a number that can be divisible by itself and 1 only is a prime number. Coming to the answers of this question, you can write it as prime number divisible of 60. So 60 can be divisible by 1 is not a prime number. 60 can be divisible by 2. You can divide 60 by 3. You can divide 60 by 5. And there our answer ends. So now coming to the question number 6, we can just coming to the fifth question, the set of all letters of trigonometry. Okay. So E question, the set of all letters of trigonometry. So what we can write here is then that. So you can just write all the letters separating with trigonometry. So why you just why you skip these words? Because you can't repeat any words in this representation. So coming to our last questions, the set of all letters of better. Okay. The set of all letters of better. So better में B, E, T and R. Okay, and our session, and thanks for watching. See you in the next class, guys.